So let's create an order quickly. So you go to the view order, create order. So by default, we are using professional service. The business type is currently professional services. That is why you are seeing all of this training, administration, billing, research. So we can switch. Let's say we want to try out automobile. All right. So let's go to settings, and let's say we want to use an automobile automotive automotive rather. So you say business type. You come to settings and then you say business type. Yes, so you see all the business types listed here. So so let's go. See, like I said, it's on professional service. That's why you have this professional services. All right. So let's use automotive services. We select that and then we scroll down and save business type. Save business type. So we view orders and you create order. So you see the difference now. So business type. So you can now see we're on automotive. So you can see mechanical, body shop, detailing, electrical. So let's say we want to do let's say electrical. So we select that. So vehicle make, you put the details. Let's say Honda. Let's say Honda. Vehicle model. Let's say B6. Vehicle here. Let's say 2016. All right. So specific types of service. So now electrical. So repair, maintenance, whatever. Just set it up. Repair, maintenance, whatever. Just set it up. All right. So parts required. Let's say let's say air condition repair. Right. So quantity is just one item. So how much is that? How much are you charging for that service? So you put the amount. Let's say 45,000 naira. 45,000 naira. So you can see it's calculating it automatically. In a situation where you have more than one quantity, if you put two there, it becomes 90. But since we're just working on one, so now, so let's say if the client is paying, let's say the client's paying 30,000 on delivery, it's going to clear the balance of 15,000. So you can see it calculates it immediately. All right. And it takes record that there's a pending payment of this 15,000 naira. So expected delivery date. Let's say this is 18th. Today is 18th. And let's say in an hour time, the client should come and pick up. So say 4:13. That's 1 hour from now. So yes. So you say create order and you can do multiple order. You can add another thing, maybe it different from this what's it called? Air condition repair. All right. Also, you select the payment method. All right. Is it cash or transfer? If it's transfer, you have to put in the customer name, the sender account details. All right. So let's say James Brown. All right. Also, then remember here, at the start of the form here, you have to put in the customer name. Ensure you fill every part of the form. So we've done that. We've added everything we need, all the information. All right. So the sender name, this is the name of the account that you're expecting the transfer. All right. So this is it. So let's create the order. Create order. That is done. So one order created successfully. So this is it from James Brown, right? 45,000 naira, pending 15,000 naira. So you can print a receipt straight ahead by clicking on the receipt button. So you see the receipt is downloading. Let's view the receipt. Yes, and you can hit print. So it prints from your thermal printing. So you can see, let's look at it carefully. So this is a receipt, dates, customer name, that's James Brown, phone number, store one, staff name. This is the name of the staff that attended to the customer. This is the order number. So description, repair, air condition, right? Repair, air condition, department, electrical, quantity one, vehicle make. So you see this detail, vehicle make, vehicle model, vehicle year, service type, repair, parts required, air condition repair, So, and the same thing you have when you use the custom field. This is just it. Mode of payment transfer, sender name, James Brown. Delivery date, this is it, and the time, 1 hour from now. Thank you for your patronage. This is your default phone number for your organization, and this is your email on the receipt, your organizational email on the receipt. I told you this is a demo account. That's why you're seeing at Sederly.com. It's a demo organization owner account, right? Developed by Sederly Solutions. So this is what your receipt looks like. So let's view. So we can view. So on view, this is where you track the order process. So by default, it's on pending. So you can set when they've started working on it, you update it, you update the status to processing, completed, and delivered. All right. So this is how you update the status. So you scroll down, start processing. That is, they started working on the job. So start processing. So at each stage, they can update it. So processing, updates down to completed. Let's update again. And the beautiful thing is you have a track of who is updating whatever. All right. You have the history log here. So you see the that is the user name of this account. This is the username, Demo James, right? Actually the owner of the company, owner of the organization, right? So let's update it to uh, completed, mark as completed. The way mark as completed, is job done. Job is done. But before we do delivered, so let's go to our dashboard. Delivered is when the customer comes to pick up. So you see for today, we've carried out just one order, 15,000 naira. Pending payments, 15,000 naira. Now, so also, without looking at your KPI dashboard, we also have other parts of it for accounting. So we have the account role too. They see this is the organization owner. He sees everything, everything, everything. He has all roles permission. So you can see the financial overview. This is the role for the accountant. They can see the financial overview. So you see amount received 30,000 naira pending this amount for today. This is for today, all right? You can see account summary. You just go one click account summary. You see everything. Account summary. This is everything for within this period, 1st of August to current date. All right, you can see. So for today, we have these pending payments. This is the one we just did completed, right? This is what we just and you can, as an accountant, you can quickly track when you click it's take you to this view. You can quickly track and know what's happening. So now, if an order has a pending payment, the job will not be delivered. So when they come for pickup, you ensure to follow this process. So now it's time to update the status to deliver, update status. But you see, additional payment amount. So it has a pending payment of 15,000 naira, which you can also see here, pending payments 15,000 naira. All right. So this job can't be updated. You must fill in the amount. So let's say the customer is ready to pay. So 15,000 naira, we'll just put in the value there. Yes. So you say update payment. So payment has been updated. So pending zero. You see pending zero. So now you can mark as delivered. So here you now put in contact of who is picking up the order. James Brown, or James Brown sent someone else. You just put in the phone number there. Mark as delivered. Mark as delivered. So this job is completed. So you see, delivered orders is now four. So you see, fully paid. This 45,000 naira fully paid. These are the jobs you've delivered, and you still have pending orders. So, like I said earlier, we created some orders just to have demonstration to see, to understand how it works. So this is it. This is Sederly Solutions. So let's now have a look at the KPI once again. So I'll be doing a separate video for the user management. So this our KPI dashboard. So we now have 19 and we now have 4 delivered. All right. So we still have a total pending. All right. So this is, so you see revenue trend. Your sales are going down. The whole day you've just made only 145K. So this revenue trend shows you how your sales are performing. All right. So this is it. Store one. So this is it. All right. So thank you very much for watching. On the next video, I'm going to show you the user management.